how companies make data-driven decisions, or how analysts uncover insights from massive datasets. In today's data-driven world, becoming a skilled data analyst can open doors to success. Welcome to our step-by-step roadmap for mastering data analysis, your ultimate guide to launching a rewarding career in this field. First, let's explore why data analysis is so essential. From healthcare to finance and tech to e-commerce, every industry relies on data to make smarter decisions. Data analysis helps organizations identify trends, predict outcomes, and optimize their strategies. The demand for skilled data analysts is skyrocketing, with entry-level salaries starting at $50,000 per year and senior roles earning over $140,000 annually. Imagine being the go-to expert for solving business problems with data insights. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upskill, this roadmap will guide you every step of the way. To excel in data analysis, mastering the right tools is critical. You'll need Excel for foundational work, SQL for database queries, Python for data manipulation, and Tableau for creating stunning visualizations. These tools are industry standards and will empower you to extract meaningful insights from raw data. Throughout this roadmap, we'll dive into these tools and provide hands-on exercises to ensure you're ready to tackle real-world challenges. Let's get started with Phase 1. Phase 1 focuses on building a strong foundation in data analysis. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, you'll cover the basics of data analysis, statistics, and visualization using Excel. Here's your learning plan. Start with the book Data Analytics Made Accessible by Anil Maheshwari. Read chapters 1 through 3 to understand key concepts. Then, enroll in the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate on Coursera and complete the first 2 modules. To enhance your practical skills, check out Leila Garani's YouTube video, Excel for Data Analysis, Beginner's Guide. This will teach you how to work with data effectively in Excel. Practice is essential at this stage. Work with small datasets in Excel and create basic charts like bar graphs, line charts, and pie charts. Experiment with sorting and filtering data. For additional practice, explore free datasets on websites like Kaggle. These exercises will help you solidify your understanding and prepare you for more advanced tools. In Phase 2, it's time to step up your game with SQL and Python. Dedicate 12 to 16 weeks to mastering these tools. Start with SQL in 10 minutes a day by Ben Forta and focus on chapters 1 through 5 to learn how to query databases. Pair this with the Coursera course, Python for Everybody, by Dr. Charles Severance. This course is beginner-friendly and covers Python basics with practical exercises. To deepen your understanding, listen to the Data Skeptic podcast episode titled Intro to SQL for Expert Insights. Practice is key here too. Use SQL to analyze datasets from public sources like Kaggle. Write Python scripts to clean, process, and visualize data. For example, you can write a Python script to analyze sales data and identify trends. These hands-on exercises will not only improve your skills, but also boost your confidence for real-world applications. Phase 3 is where you specialize and focus on advanced analytics and visualization. Spend 16 to 20 weeks mastering these skills. Read Storytelling with Data by Cole Nussbaumer-Knaflic. Pay special attention to chapters 1 through 6 to learn how to craft compelling visual narratives. Enroll in the Data Visualization with Tableau course on Udemy, which includes practical projects for hands-on learning. Additionally, watch Ijireka's Power BI tutorial on YouTube to explore an alternative visualization tool. To demonstrate your skills, create practice projects that showcase your abilities. For example, design an interactive Tableau dashboard to visualize sales performance or build a Python-based predictive model. These projects will not only help you refine your skills, but also serve as a portfolio to impress potential employers. As you build your portfolio, it's time to consider certifications. Certifications like the Google Data Analytics Certificate, Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate, or Tableau Desktop Specialist can significantly enhance your resume. They validate your expertise and make you stand out in the job market. In the ever-evolving field of data analysis, continuous learning is crucial. Follow industry blogs like Towards Data Science or newsletters like Data Elixir to stay updated on trends and best practices. Join data science communities on platforms like Kaggle, Reddit's Data Science, or LinkedIn groups to network with peers, share knowledge, and find mentorship opportunities. Congratulations, you now have a comprehensive roadmap to master data analysis.